Hey guys, so in this video I just want to talk about the one funnel away challenge and why you need to take it. This is going to be essentially a review of the one funnel away challenge. So I'm going to give you some info in regards to it, some insider stuff, and just let you know what you're in store for if you're at all thinking about trying out the challenge. So first and foremost, I want you to know that you might not make it through the challenge. It's just a fact. I'm telling you this because for me personally, I didn't make it through the challenge the first time I took it. I took the challenge twice. And you know what? I almost signed up for a third time just because it was so freaking awesome. And I just loved every part of it. So I didn't make it through the challenge the first time just because I kind of got overwhelmed with all the stuff that was in there. Because there's daily lessons, and with each lesson per day, I just got overwhelmed with inside the lesson of the day, there would be a video from Russell, and then a video from Steven, and then like sometimes a third video as well. And Steven's videos were usually around an hour, and then Russell's videos, it kind of depended on the length, but Steven usually went into some depth about everything and had some longer videos. So that part just, like after like 2 weeks of that, I just didn't have the time to devote to, the learning each day and going through all the stuff, right? And then on top of that, you couple it with what Russell did when he created this challenge was he went and essentially talked to 30 funnel millionaires and asked them like, hey, if you lost all your stuff and you had to go and rebuild, what would you do to go and rebuild your funnel from scratch, or rebuild your business from scratch, right? And for most of them, it just is them describing their process. They would just go and basically duplicate what they did in the past. That made them a funnel millionaire, right? That's what they know and do. So they would go and do it again. So they gives them a chance to kind of talk about their process and explain and show them. So there's 30 different millionaires inside there. So you're trying to go through the daily lessons. You're trying to like go through and read or listen to the videos or read the information that these 30 millionaires have offered you each day. So it turns into just like a lot of overwhelm when it comes to the course itself, right? So my point is that if you don't make it through the first time, sign up and go again. Like it doesn't matter. Like it's okay. I did it twice and it was awesome. The first time it was awesome and it was overwhelming and I kind of like flamed out. The second time was even more awesome. I stayed with it. I got it done. I launched my funnel and I just stuck it out. And then once I got finished, I launched my funnel, and then I was able to, once you pass $1,000 with your funnel, they'll send you like this nifty little 1 Comma Club award, and it's cool because you made $1,000 with a sales funnel. And the cool thing is that there was 2 sides. There was the sales funnel that I launched, and then what you learned in the one funnel away challenge, you can also apply to your affiliate marketing. And I've made almost $5,000 just promoting like ClickFunnels and ClickFunnels products using the tactics and strategies that I learned in the one funnel away challenge. So officially, my review of this is that it is awesome. It is the best training on the planet for the money. For $100, you cannot go wrong. You're going to get just a ton of information from funnel millionaires essentially. So if you want to learn from success, this is it. So definitely go check it out. And if you want to see the case studies behind everything that I did, how I made my $1,000 with my product, how I got my 1 Comma Club award, how I made my $5,000, an in-depth look at that stuff, you get that all for free as part of my one funnel away challenge bonuses. So if you go to ShawnBayley.com/challenge, register for the challenge through my affiliate link, and you get access to those awesome free bonuses from me. Thanks for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video.